In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. 1,400 years ago, in the deserts of Arabia, a book was revealed to a prophet who could neither read nor write, the Holy Quran. But hidden within this book were mathematical codes that only began to be discovered in the 20th century. Today, we set out to discover these codes, because certain numbers repeat in such an order in the Quran that the probability of this being a coincidence is less than 1 in a million. Chapter 1. The Secret of the Number 19. One of the most striking mathematical miracles in the Quran concerns the number 19. In verse 30 of Surah Al-Muddathir, Allah says, "There are 19 over it." 74:30. This verse refers to the guardians of hell. But in 1974, Egyptian scientist Rashad Khalifa discovered something astonishing while analyzing the Quran with a computer. The number 19 was encoded into the entire mathematical structure of the Quran. Let's start with the simplest fact. The opening of the Quran, the Basmala, Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, consists of 19 letters. Is this a coincidence? Let's see. There are a total of 114 surahs in the Quran. The number 114 is a multiple of 19, 6 times 19. The first revelation, Surah Alaq, has 19 verses and is the 96th surah, a multiple of 19. The last complete revelation in the Quran, Surah Nasr, is the 110th surah and consists of 19 words. Even more interesting, the name Allah appears exactly 2,698 times in the Quran. This number is exactly divisible by 19, 142 times 19. The name Rahman appears 57 times, again a multiple of 19, 3 times 19. The name Rahim is repeated 115 times. Chapter 2. Word symmetries. But the mathematical miracle in the Quran is not limited to the number 19. Some words repeat in perfect symmetry with each other in the Quran. The word world, dunya, appears 115 times in the Quran. The word hereafter, ahira, also appears exactly 115 times. A perfect balance between the two worlds. The word angel appears 88 times, and the word devil also appears 88 times. The battle between good and evil is numerically balanced. The word life is repeated 145 times, and the word death is also repeated 145 times. Life and death are given equal weight in the Quran. Man, rajul, rakul, appears 24 times, and woman, imra, imre, also appears 24 times. As modern genetics has discovered, human chromosomes also have 23 pairs, meaning 23 chromosomes from the woman and 23 from the man combine. The word distress appears 114 times, and the word thanksgiving also appears 114 times. This is the mathematical manifestation of the verse that says, "With hardship comes ease," 94:5-6. Even more impressive, the word moon, kamer, appears 12 times in the Quran, exactly the number of months in a year. The word day, yevm, is repeated 365 times, the number of days in a year. The plural form months appears 12 times. Chapter 3. The ratio of sea and land. Perhaps one of the most astonishing mathematical miracles in the Quran concerns the frequency of the words sea and land. The word sea, bahr, bar, appears 32 times in the Quran. The word land, bar, bear, appears 13 times, a total of 45 occurrences. Now let's calculate the mathematical ratio. Sea, 32 out of 45 equals 71.11%. Land, 13 out of 45 equals 28.89%. Modern science shows that exactly 71% of our world's surface is water and 29% is land. How could this ratio have been encoded in the Quran 1,400 years ago without satellite technology and without the oceans being mapped? Chapter 4. Salat and Numerical Order. The word salat, meaning prayer, appears 5 times in the Quran as obligatory prayer, just like the 5 daily prayers. Even more interesting, you are in Surah Hadid, the 57th surah, which is exactly in the middle of the Quran. Hadid is the Arabic name for iron. The atomic number of the iron element is 26. The word Hadid appears exactly 26 times in this surah, and the atomic weight of iron is 56, very close to the surah's number. Is this a coincidence? Or is it a sign that the Quran revealed facts discovered by modern chemistry 14 centuries ago? Chapter 5. Criticisms and responses. Of course, there are criticisms. Some say, this is just a numbers game. You can find similar patterns in any book. Others say, different counting methods yield different results. These are valid criticisms. But let us not forget, the Quran itself claims to be a miracle. Say, if mankind and the jinn were to gather together to produce the like of this Quran, they could not produce the like thereof, even if they helped one another. Isra 1788. Mathematical patterns are not the only proof of the Quran's miraculous nature, but only one aspect of it. The real miracle is its message, which has touched the hearts of billions of people for 1,400 years, changed their lives, and remains relevant today. The number 19, word symmetries, the sea-land ratio, these may be coincidences. Perhaps the human mind is inclined to look for patterns, but perhaps these are signs sent by Allah who says, I send down verses for you to think about, to the people of the 20th century. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Peace be upon you, and the mercy and blessings of Allah.